welcome back for another video of Surface Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can get rid of this indicator over here, a spanner or an oil surface indicator of a Chevrolet Captiva. This one is built in 2007. And in this short video I'm going to show you how you can get rid of that indicator for yourself. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Surface Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel for more than 500 other videos on how to reset different model cars. Some tips and tricks. Use the comment area if you have any questions, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's start. We just had an oil change and I just resetted this model, and this is how I did that. Just turn the ignition off, then turn back on the ignition to the second position. All the lights must go on, and when it's not been reset, this indicator doesn't disappear. When you turn the ignition on, just press the accelerator pedal 3 times, and when you press them 3 times, you'll see that the indicator, the oil surface indicator or the spanner light, will disappear. So once again, ignition off, ignition on, oil spanner light is on. Press the accelerator 3 times successfully, and when you've done that, the indicator will disappear. That was it. I hope this video helps you reset your own Chevrolet Captiva. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and I hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.